In this video, let's unbox my new Sculpfun S30 Pro Max together. I will show you the assembly process and my first tests, engraving and cutting. Let's open the box. We've got some plywood sheets for testing. Inside there's also a metal protective sheet and instruction manual. Here's the laser module, fully enclosed, quite heavy, with an air assist. Let's check the second layer. Also, we have cables, the power supply, limit switches, safety glasses, and even spare lenses. Right beam, left beam, back and front beams. That's everything included. Every package is labeled with what's inside and which assembly step it belongs to. I think that's super convenient. The manual is also very detailed with photos, and you can watch the official Sculpfun video on YouTube as well. Let's start assembling this Rubik's Cube. First, I will unpack the tools. Step 1. Assemble the back, left and right beams. Everything is labeled, so it's easy to see which screw goes where. Step 2. Assemble the X-axis beam and the front beam. Feed the belts through the X-beam, assemble the main board tripod, then attach the front beam and tighten everything. Step 3, and here I made a mistake. I installed the belts incorrectly. The smooth side should face down, but if you follow the instruction carefully, you will be fine. Step 4. Secure the belts using T-nuts. Step 5. Install the laser module. It's mounted with 4 screws, but later I only used 2. Step 6. Install the air compressor and connect everything. Now I'll take it to my workshop and let's run some first tests. Next, I decided to test a cake topper. I kept the same settings. On my Sculpfun S9, cutting a topper usually takes about 20 to 22 minutes. On the S30 Pro Max, just a little over 4 minutes. One pass and it worked great. In one spot there was a knot in the wood, so it didn't cut all the way through, but that's a minor issue. The edges aren't perfectly clean, but that's normal. I will remove the residue with the fine sandpaper. As for engraving, I'm still figuring it out. I've done a few tests with different settings, but I haven't quite gotten the result I want yet. So, a quick first impression. If you're looking a laser for cutting, so absolutely Sculpfun S30 Pro Max is a great choice. But if you are like me and focused on engraving, honestly, I don't know. So please subscribe, and I will keep testing the Sculpfun S30 Pro Max, and let's see what result we can get in the end.